Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing amazing. So, if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much. Thank you for all the support, guys. It means a lot. So, in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the text that I'll be using this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today's pick a card reading is blessings knocking on your door. So that is going to be the topic for today. So what blessings are coming your way? That is going to be the topic. So remember, these are general reading and timeless reading. So whenever you watch this reading is for you. And it's a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. Okay. So I have 3 doors over here for you guys. So for group number 1, this is the door, the purple color door. Green door for group number 2, and the orange door for group number 3. So close your eyes, relax, and connect to a pile that calls to you intuitively. Okay, the timestamps will be listed in the description box, so take your time. If you need more time, please pause the video. Okay, so and take your time. So I'm gonna start with group number 1, and the timestamps will be in the description box, guys. So yeah, let's start. Hello, group number 1. If you chose this purple door, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what blessings are knocking on your door. So the first message is something related with education. For some of you, you might pass an exam, or maybe you will get selected. Like if you're planning to join a university or something like that, so maybe if you're waiting for a letter, I feel like that is possible. Okay, so like, yeah, we have 8 of Pentacles, and then we have, look, 3 of Cups. So for some of you, if you are planning to go abroad for education, you will find a community, find a group of friends who will help you with your work and all. Sometimes what happens when we go to a different country or a different place, we are not used to that, so we feel very stressed because we are in a different country, and sometimes we are even alone, right? Maybe for some of you, you're traveling alone, you're going to a new place by yourself, so it's like a little bit stressful. So I feel like with this 3 of Cups coming here, so there will be a group of friends who will help you there, so you don't have to worry about it. And for some others, it's like if you have a passion of yours, if you like to do something, because you're very hardworking people. So if you have a passion, if you want to build something, it's gonna grow. Okay, I feel like there is a lot of support coming your way. Maybe for some of you, you might be collaborating with your friends, or maybe doing startup with your friends. Okay, something with your friends, like a lot of support for your work, or a lot of support. uh, if you're studying somewhere else, there is a lot of support there. So a lot of support, a lot of friendship, a lot of positive vibes I'm getting from you guys. Okay, so yeah. So if you're planning to take a new course, you will find friends there. That is what I feel. For some of you, you might make online friends, like you will do an online course, and through that online course, you might make good new friends. They will vibe with you. Their energy and your energy will be in the same vibration. That is what I feel. They will understand your problems, like you people will support each other, like a lot of help, support groups or something like that. Like you're going to join a support group where people will help you, and you will be doing things together, like collaborating. Or maybe study group you have, like yeah, you're studying with your friends, preparing for an exam. And for some of you, I feel like you will be getting like you will pass that exam. That is also something I feel like, right? Whatever your work, you're very interested in this, whatever you're studying, or whatever you are doing right now in your life, this thing is, you love this thing, it's you're passionate about this thing, and this thing is going to give you a lot of happiness. Like for some of you, it's like you might be celebrating because of some success, because we have 3 of Cups. Okay, so maybe for some of you, you are starting a business, or maybe you make products. So for you guys, for some of you, I feel like you will have your first sale, and you will be celebrating that. Okay, so something like that. Maybe you're artist, or you're painters, or you do something with furniture or something like that. Maybe you are into calligraphy, or maybe you do something with wood, and and maybe your friends will support you, maybe they will buy you products, and it will make you happy. Okay, So for some of you, it's like you will be collaborating with your friends. Like there is collaboration, there is support, there is celebration, there is happiness. And even though I feel like for you guys, even though there is sometimes there will be obstacles also, but you will be able to face it, because you have like good people who will support you. So right now in your life you don't have that good friends. I see that that is happening for you guys through online. Maybe you're taking online course, or I don't know, but I feel like there are people who will help you, or maybe your sisters will help you, or maybe your brothers will help you, or maybe your cousins will help you. Whatever it is, whatever you want to do in your life, whatever you're planning to do, it's something very passionate, you're very passionate about it, so there is help coming for you guys. Okay, look, we have completion, we have Four of Wands energy, so celebration again, Three of Cups and Four of Cups, sorry, Four of Wands. And then we have Priestess, yeah, High Priestess. So and we have this purple door, and we have High Priestess. So yeah, your crown chakra, I feel like your crown chakra is activated. You're receiving a lot of messages. You are receiving intuitive messages, I feel like. Okay, so maybe for some of you, if you have been manifesting during full moon or new moon, I feel that is coming into completion. Maybe you will get your manifestations, because we have Four of Wands and Priestess. I feel like with this moon energy, I'm getting this message. So maybe you are manifesting, or maybe you were doing some rituals during new moon or full moon. So for some of you, I feel like you will get your manifestation within 2 months. Okay, for some of you, I feel like 2 months time, or 2 to 3 months I'm getting. Yeah, Virgo season might be important for you guys, because we have Eight of Pentacles also and High Priestess also. So I feel Virgo season will be very important for you guys. So yeah, you are hard workers, and we have this Priestess. You want to study a lot of things. You're perfectionist, I feel like, right? You're hard workers. You want to make it happen. Like, yeah, for some of you, I even feel like you're Virgo. Maybe you can be earth sign also. We have water sign, we have fire sign, but Virgo energy is very strong here. Or you can be Capricorn also, Libra energy also, right? So definitely there is a sense of completion, there is a sense of happiness. Like for some of you, will be graduating, right? So you'll be celebrating that. Or maybe for some of you, I told you might get the letter, appointment letter, that you are selected for this university or something like that. Maybe your dream career, you're selected for that or something like that. That will make you very happy. It's more about your career things. I feel like materialistic gain for some of you. Maybe for some of you, you have been working hard to build a home or something like that. That will be completed. That will make you happy. And others, I feel like a lot of knowledge. You're learning about rituals. You're learning a lot of esoteric information. Also, for some of you, if you are into that, you will learn a lot of new things, and you will put it into work with this Eight of Pentacles. So you are like, sometimes what happens, we read book, but we don't put into our life, right? So maybe for some of you, you have been reading self-help books, but what I'm seeing for you guys is you are putting that into your real life. So sometimes we just read the book and we let it go. We don't apply it in our life, right? But I feel like you're applying it, and you will be seeing that growth. Okay, that completion, that happiness, some celebration for sure is happening for you guys. You will be celebrating your own success. Like I told you, like your first sale will happen and you will be celebrating that. Or maybe you will gain 100 followers on Instagram, or whatever. It's maybe something that you always wanted to do. You're achieving that a sense of completion will be there for you guys. You'll be happy. Okay, yeah, reconciliations. Okay, and then we have universe. Yeah, the universe is your partner. With this, look at the hand. The universe is there to protect you. Okay, they are guiding you, and that's the most biggest blessing you have, guys. I feel like your intuition is going to be very strong, because universe will be giving you a lot of messages, lot of signs, lot of symbols. So take note on it. Okay, whenever you see something repeatedly, just go and Google it, collect some information about it. You will get your answer. So this is the most beautiful blessing, I feel like, that you're going to receive. That universe will be with you. They are your partner. You have to work with them. Okay, so when you need to surrender, when you have to take action, do that action also. Okay, sometimes what happens, we overwork ourselves, and sometimes it's not the right time to overwork. And even if we overwork, we'll not get the get the result, right? So don't overwork yourself, relax, connect with universe, work with universe, give thanks, give gratitude, do this walking gratitude, okay? Like while you're walking, give thanks to the universe. When you're sipping your tea, give thanks to the universe. It will be very beneficial for you guys. Give thanks, write gratitude, like when you get up, just take a piece of paper, or if you have a journal, take that every day. Give gratitude to the people who are doing good. Sometimes we don't do that. We don't give gratitude to the small things we have. So start doing that, because if you give more gratitude, the more you will receive. Okay, so we have number 4. Look, we have 4 and 4. So 4 is about stability, security, building things. Like for some of you, it's like you're building your foundations, you're doing startup, you're planning to start a business. Maybe for some of you, I feel like if you want to do something like through Instagram, if you're planning to do some business, just go for it, because I feel like this is the correct time to do it. For some of you, you are getting these messages also through the universe. So take note on that. Look, hand is there is help everywhere. Okay, for some of you, it's like this help is your friends or your sisters may help you, like, yeah, for reconciliation. For some of you, it's like you're reconciling with your own desire finally. Like maybe for some of you, I feel like you have left this dream of yours, and finally things will happen, and you will be like again reconciling with your own dream, right? So sometimes we lose hope and we feel like that our dreams will not manifest, but finally you're like, no, my dreams will manifest. You're finally reconciling with your dreams, with your goals. And we have 4 of Wands energy also. So for some of you, you are reconciling with your partner or something, maybe your friends also, or maybe your family members also. There is reconciliation, people coming together. Okay, reconciling with your friends. So for some of you, if you are arguing with them or something like that, I feel like there is a reconciliation is happening. But for me, it's like you're reconciling with your higher self. You're reconciling with your intuition. That is strong here. Okay. Yeah, a lot of peaceful energies. Wow, beautiful. Oh, you got 2 cards. Oh, yeah. I am learning that endings are merely beginnings, and peace. I am a peace being of love, and I release all the negative energy. That is what you need to do. You need to trust the universe, and you need to release all the negative energies. You need to release all the negative thoughts that you have about yourself. I feel like that, you are, as I told you, you are reconciling with your dream. Sometimes we feel like that we will not be able to achieve our dream, and maybe you felt like that, but you are letting go of that, and you finally, I feel like you're finally coming together. You're finally accepting that yes, you can do it. Maybe in the past, people told you that you will never be able to do it, or because of that you lost hope or something like that. But now it's like you're coming back together. Like maybe for some of you, it's like an ending of a painful cycle. Like a completion is there for sure. A cycle is completing, and now it's like a beginning for you guys. Like for some of you, it's like you did your hard work, you did that course, and finally you're graduating. Right? For some of you, that is also possible. And for others, it's like, yeah, I told you, like you are applying for a job or something, you're getting a new job, a good job. For some of you, applying for a new course, you're getting that admission there, something like that. So this is going to be very beautiful. This ending is, maybe for some of you, this ending is emotional, but a new beginning is happening, and it's going to be very beautiful. And this new beginning will give you a lot of peace, because you're going to work with universe. Okay, work with universe, guys. Use law of attraction, use moon rituals. If you're doing that, I'm like 100% sure that is going to work for you guys. But only the one thing you need to do is, don't be so caught up about the time. Okay, sometimes we are, oh, when this will happen. Don't do that, and let it go, surrender. And even though things are not moving forward, give your gratitude. Don't sometimes what happens, oh, nothing is working, and we stop doing the things. Don't do that. Keep on doing it. Keep on having that faith, and you will achieve all the things you want to achieve in your life, because universe is with you. And this is the biggest blessing for you guys, that universe is with you. They are giving you messages, they are showing you signs. So why you have to worry? Because universe is there for you. Okay, like universe has your back. So you are spread positive vibes, guys, and release that negative. If you feel sometimes negative, it's okay. It's okay. I also feel, and it's okay. Just sit with yourself. Don't try to sometimes if there is emotions coming, it's okay. think about it and then release it. Okay, you don't have to stop it, don't do that. Okay, yeah, balancing act. So maybe for some of you yeah, I am just getting a specific message here, you know. For some of you, I told you might be doing some business or something. You will your products will, like, many people will come for your products or something like that, and you will have to balance your like your career and your personal life. So don't try to overwork. Okay, if so yeah, if there are more people coming your way, just have a slot or something that yeah, do like that. Don't try to do everything by yourself. Okay, that will be a problem for you guys, because you need to balance things. So balance, for some of you, I feel like that with this 8 of Pentacles, you have this attitude of not taking rest. Okay, so it's important you take rest. Balancing act is very important right now. You need to balance your diet, balance your social life, and your, like, personal life. Balance that. Exercise, do exercise, eat healthy. So yeah, so for some of you, it's like you will work with this 8 of Pentacles. This is very hardworking person. You will work and work and work and work, and you will have no time to eat also. Don't do that. Okay, so there is a need for balance of, you know, you need to balance things. That, yeah. So yeah, that is what I feel like. Oh, and the major blessing, I feel like your intuition is going to be strong, and universe is there for you. They are working for you, not against you. So even though sometimes you might feel that, why universe is doing this, why they are not giving me the things, but it is for your own good, and things are coming back together. You are coming back together, like, you know. For some of you, I even feel like if you have been battling depression or something, you're coming back together. Okay, you're becoming more peaceful. Sometimes we don't have inner peace, right? You're getting that inner peace. You're getting your confirmation, I feel like that. So you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, so keep on working, keep on doing what you're doing. Okay, that, because that is working, and I feel like you're on the right path also. But don't overwork, and don't procrastinate. Maybe you're in for some of you, it's like you procrastinate. For others, it's like you work and work and work. So you have to have a balance. Okay, so that's it for my group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Hello my lovelies. Hello group number 2. If you chose this green door, let's see what blessings are knocking on your door. So first, let's start with the tarot cards. 8 of Swords energy and Page of Wands, and then we have 6 of Cups, and then we have 9 of Pentacles. Okay, so with this 8 of Swords energy, I feel like you're getting out of your head. Okay, so that is the major blessing. You're not going to stress a lot. Your stress levels are going to be low, and you're connecting more with your intuition. That is what I feel like. And for others, I even feel like you will receive a good news, and that will because of that, your stress will go. Okay, so something like that. Or maybe you're very stressed about your child, and this message is telling that your child is blessed. You don't have to worry anything about your children's. Okay, so if you're stressed about your children's progress, or if you're pregnant and you're stressed about your baby, don't be. Okay, just, that's a specific message. Don't take too much stress. But yes, your major blessing is you're getting out of the stressful energies. You're getting out of your head. You're not going to overthink. You're getting your inner peace. You're getting your satisfaction, right? And you're going to take one step at a time. And yeah, I feel like you're going to do that. That is the blessing. Your attitude is changing. Maybe you were overthinkers, or right? Yeah, so for some of you, you are overthinkers, and in the future you will not be. You will be able to organize your things. You know, sometimes like we organize our wardrobe. When we organize our wardrobe, it's very easy to take the clothes, and the wardrobe will be very clean. So what happens if our wardrobe is messy? We'll not be able to take the clothes properly, and everything will be messy. So like that only our emotions also. When it's disorganized, we don't know what we are doing. We don't know. We will be very confused. We'll be very stressed. But you are getting out of that. You're organizing yourself. You're taking one step at a time. I feel like for some of you here are reading this book also, The Power of Now. Or maybe, I don't know why I got that book, The Power of Now, that book. Maybe for some of you it's like it's a message that you need to read that book. Okay, maybe for some of you it's like you are getting into this you're practicing mindfulness. For some of you, I feel like you're taking 1 minute at a time or something. Like if you will be only thinking about the next minute, like minute by minute you're going to go, and because of that you will have like a lot of inner peace. Yeah, I feel for some of you, your past, if you have been doing some work, you're getting some money from your past work. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so maybe you did some money, some work for someone and they didn't pay you. Maybe now you will get paid for that. Okay, or maybe you are like if you're like YouTubers or something like that, maybe your old video will go viral or something like that, and because of that you will receive some money. So yeah, something like that maybe. Yeah, or maybe you made a, yeah, something that you made like 5 months or 6 months ago is going to do good business or something like that. Okay, maybe. Yeah, I'm getting that. But there is a lot of satisfaction for you guys, and yeah, I'm feeling like you're changing your vibration, you're changing your energy, you're working on yourself. Group number 2, you're doing good. I feel like you're doing amazing. You're trying to focus on now. You're trying to take one step at a time. You're not going to take 5 steps at a time. Maybe you used to do that in the past, but now you're like taking small steps. You're very careful, right? So yeah, I feel like you're practicing mindfulness. Go for it, guys, because it is going to work for you and it's going to do wonders for you. Some good news, you will receive some good news. A lot of changes are going to come. You're out of your stressful energies, and yeah, there is a lot of satisfaction, happiness for you guys. Okay, message, for some of you it's like a specific message, just something related to your children. I told you, right? Child, yeah, that is there. Maybe your children will do something very good, and you will be very proud of them. Okay, and for others it's like your own creativity is going to shine. Right, as I told you, something that you did in past, it will be recognized now. Or maybe your work will be recognized. Maybe people will recognize your work, something like that. Yeah, again, look, closing door, completion of a thing. Definitely a completion. You're closing a door. You, for this, I feel like we have 8 of swords and closing door. So you're closing that door of stress, right? Overthinking. You're practicing mindfulness. I feel like, yeah, empty will. So yeah, you're understanding that this stressful energy is not doing anything good for you guys. You're understanding that it is only taking your energy away from you. Like it's useless. Taking stress is useless, and you're understanding that. For some of you, you have been putting something, yeah, for some of you it's like you have been doing a work and that was not giving you anything in return, and finally you're closing that chapter and you're doing something new with this page of swords. So some of you is like, some of you, I feel like you're doing this thing. You're ending a cycle. You are like, sometimes we do now, we do things, we don't try to, we don't give up, and we keep on doing the things that is not working for us. But finally it's like you're understanding it's time to close that door. Maybe a relationship, it is like that you have been giving your best, you have been trying to nurture that relationship, but things were not working. So finally you're like, no, I need to let go of this person so that I can thrive, so that I can get out of this stressful energy. So for some of you it's like closing a door, like completion of for some of you it's like your own habits, your closing it, like your stressful energies, you're closing it. You're like, oh, this stress is taking my energy. So finally you're like, no, I don't want to do this anymore, and you're like closing the door. And for others it's like relationship, job that was taking your energy, it was not giving you anything, or a work that you were doing for someone, it was not giving you anything back. You're finally like, I don't want to do this anymore, and you're ending that. Okay, and look, we have horseman, what did I say? Horseman. Okay, so with that we look at the number 3. 3 numbers are all about growth, expansion, joy, happiness, right? I'm getting with solar plexus chakra also, like you're gaining your confidence back, you're letting go of the stress. When we let go of the stress, when we don't overthink, when we sometimes we self-sabotage ourselves because of our own stress, because we feel like that we'll not be able to do it, and finally you're letting go of all that things, and finally you are moving forward with this horseman. You're moving forward, you're becoming more free, you're freeing yourself from your own stress, from your own limited beliefs, from your maybe for some of you take other people's criticism too seriously. Finally you're like letting go of that also. Sometimes we need to do that, because some people don't like if we sometimes people have problem with other people's success and they try to put us down. So yeah, don't take their energy, guys. So yeah, for some of you I feel like there is a friend who is taking your energy, who's not in some friends will be like that. You will tell some good news and they'll be like, oh, this is not going to work, and maybe it's time to close that close that chapter of let lose that person, let go of that person for some of you, because they're just taking your energy. Like maybe there are energy vampires around you who are taking your energy, so it's time to let go of them. Okay, so whenever you're talking with this person, after talking you might feel like that you're very tired. If that's happening, maybe it's time to let go of this person. Okay, so a lot of changes are coming for you guys. I feel like it's beautiful changes, and these changes will make you very satisfied. You will be very satisfied. For some of you, I even feel like that you're meeting someone new from your someone from your childhood. Like after a long gap, you will be meeting someone, and for some of you, you will take this relationship one step at a time. Okay, yeah, a soulmate vibe is also coming, maybe a friend. So for some of you, you're letting go of a toxic friend, meeting a new friend. I'm not like, I feel like it's not a new friend. You know this person, but there was not a connection there, but now you're going to make a connection, something like that. Definitely you will be feeling very free, because you will be free from your stress. You will not be self-sabotaging yourself. You will be like working with universe. You will be moving forward. Yeah, you have done something, guys. You have been doing some sort of shadow work. You are becoming more confident. You're becoming more courageous. Yeah, you're letting go of the doubt. Yeah, you're letting go of your doubts. Maybe you doubted yourself. So that is what is that. You are changing, guys. You are the one. You are making the progress, because you're trying to change yourself. You're practicing mindfulness. You're not doubting yourself. You're becoming more confident in your work. Even sometimes things doesn't go our way, right? But you're not losing that motivation. You're just trying. You're trying harder, but in a good way, right? Not by stressing. Yeah, balance. You're maintaining that balance. Sometimes our mind try to control us, so there is a heart and mind balance for you guys. Yeah, you're not judging other people, you're not judging yourself. Maybe you used to judge yourself, maybe you used to judge your work. You're not doing that. You're balancing that, because when we judge ourselves too harshly, we doubt our work, right? So you're letting go of that doubt, and because of that letting go of that doubt, you are balancing things easily. You're not judging other people. You're becoming more kind, you're becoming more compassionate, and you're taking a stand for yourself, and you're becoming more confident and courageously. You're moving forward, but you know when you need to stop, when you need to go. Oh my god, you know a lot of things, guys. So that is your blessing. Yeah, cleaning house. You're like, look, we have this closing door and we have this empty well. You are cleaning things that is not good for you. You're clean the stress and the stressful energy. You're cleaning that. You're letting go of the things. You're letting go of the people. You're connecting more with spirit, right? Like autumn, the autumn season. Maybe for some of you, autumn season will be very important, and with this autumn season, maybe for some of you, your manifestation might come by the time of October. Okay, October I'm getting some of you. And spirit of place, it's like it's like the fall season, right? The leaves are shedding. So yeah, sometimes we need to shed things, sometimes we need to let go of the things. And here also I feel like it's like the leaves are shedding, right? Isn't it? Yeah. So you're clearing yourself, you're clearing your mind, you're letting go of the things that is not good for you. For some of you, you will be letting go of the things, like maybe you will be letting go of your dresses, or maybe the things that you thought you needed but you didn't use. Sometimes you don't use certain things, right? You're letting go of certain things. you're cleaning your wardrobe. Maybe for some of you will be doing that, and because of that, when we let go of the things that are not good for us, new things will come. So for you guys, new things are going to come, because after this autumn season, the spring is going to come for you guys. But definitely autumn season, by October there is something happening. I feel you're working on yourself right now. If you're doing that, by autumn season, there is a lot of huge transformation coming in your life. Okay, like a lot of, you will be very connected to the spirit. You will get your answers on the spot. If you want to know something, you will know it intuitively. Look at the cat, a lot of independence, a lot of freedom. Yeah, we have a bird also here, right? So yeah, we have a bird and we have a cat here. I'm very attracted to these. Look, we have bird here also. So yeah, you're letting go of the things that is not serving you anymore. And all these blessings are coming because of you. You're the one who is making the change. And when we make the change, things change. Because you're believing now that you can do this. You're letting go of the people. Sometimes we put so much of energy on something and it doesn't work. And we keep on doing on it, even though we feel like it will not work. But then do we do. So you are like, if you have been in this kind of relationship where you have been giving, now you're like, no, I cannot give anymore because this is draining my energy. Right? Yeah, so you're taking stand for yourself. You're cleaning. For some of you, it's your own stress, your own self-doubt. And you're making a connection with spirit, and you're going slow. You're not in a hurry anymore. Maybe you are practicing in, I feel like that, you are very impatient people, but finally you are the ones who will be very patient. You're learning the lessons of patience, something like that. Okay, so these are your messages. Bye bye, take care. Number 3, if you choose this orange door, then let's see what is your message, what blessings are coming your way. We have a number here, 223. Okay, so if you want to Google it, go and Google it. And with this 22 number, it's all about balance, isn't it? Balance, and your intuition is also going to be strong, I feel like, with this. And with this 22 number, it's like angelic number. So angels are with you. Things are balancing for you guys. Yeah, things are balancing for you guys for sure. Let's see. Yeah, justice card, and we have this 11. Justice card is 11 number, so it's reduces to 2 numbers. So it's all about balance, responsibility, partnership. So yeah, let's see what else. We have King of Swords. For some of you, it's like a balanced relationship. That is what is coming for you guys. Okay, with this King of Swords energy, maybe for some of you, getting out of an imbalanced relationship. Maybe there were people around you who were narcissistic, like they used to control you. They tried to put that guilt on you, and you thought that you're not worthy. Sometimes what happens, like people make us do things that we don't want to do, right? And maybe for you guys, you were in a job that you didn't like, but you had to do it because this person your boss was manipulating you, something like that. You're getting out of this manipulation. You're getting out of toxic people. You're getting out of the people who is maybe your spouse was very insensitive, and yeah, I don't know, I'm getting this controlling. Someone was controlling you, and finally now you are coming out of that thing. Now no one can control you, and that is going to be the major blessing for you guys. You're transforming. Look at the butterfly here, right? You were told that you are a caterpillar, and you were told that you are going to be in that box only. You are not going to come out of the box. Sometimes people do that, right? Sometimes people put us in a cage. People tell us that you are not worthy, you can do only this, you don't have the talent, and we take it. And you did that for, I feel, for many years you were doing that, right? Now you're like, no, I'm more than that. Maybe for some of you, you're on a spiritual journey right now, and you're understanding that you have potential, you're understanding that you have gifts, and now you're like, no, I don't want to continue this relationship. This is toxic. You're understanding that. For some of you, it's like you're understanding that your boss is manipulating you. They're telling you that you're not good enough, but you are understanding your own potential, guys. And yeah, so you are getting out of imbalanced things. there's a lot of imbalance in your life, finally things are going to be balanced because you're taking charge of your life. You used to give, sometimes we give control to other people, right? And other people control us, they make decisions for us. So you were in that place. Now you are going to make decisions for yourself. You're like, if I want to do something, I'm going to do. If I don't want to do something, I'm not going to do it. Like, yeah, maybe in the past people made you to do the things you didn't want to do, and sometimes it's not good when we don't like something and we have to do it. It's not good, right? It's it's very, I can't even think of it, right? So for you guys, I feel like you were in this spot for so many years, but finally you are like, no, I want to get out, I want to step out of this place, I don't want to be in this place anymore, I don't want to do this job anymore. Or maybe for some of you it's like a divorce is happening, finally you're getting divorced, finally you're releasing yourself from that relationship that was so toxic, right? There is a release happening, major release for you guys, and you're getting this karma, your karmic completion, like your karma is getting balanced. Finally you're out of a bad situation, out of toxic people, you're out of narcissistic people, something like that. I feel you're getting your justice, your wisdom is, you're becoming more wiser also, I have to say. I feel like you, maybe because of your spiritual journey, you took a stand for yourself, and you're like, no, I don't want to continue this thing, because I know that sometimes we don't know who we are, and finally you know who you are, and you're like, no, I'm not for this, I'm more than this, right? And you're like getting that justice, because you're speaking up for yourself, you're communicating clearly. If you don't want to do something, you're like saying, no, I don't want to do it. Okay, so yeah, there is so much of justice happening for you guys. If you're in a communication field or something like that, if you're not getting that much, like sometimes we work hard and we don't get the results, I feel like you're going to get that justice there also. Okay, so yeah, you're going to fly high, that is what I feel. Okay, yeah, finally out of a place that you didn't like, but you had to stay there, something like that. Sometimes we have to do things for the sake of others because we feel like that we are bound to do it, and now you're like, no, I'm not. Like, you're getting out of that situation. Maybe for some of you it's like because of your children's, you had to do this, you had to continue on this relationship. Now you're like, no, I cannot do this. Even if I do this, my children's are not going to be happy. So you're like taking action, you're doing something that you want to do. For some of you it's like you're chasing your dreams finally. You're like, no, I cannot do this anymore, I have certain things that I want to do, and I'm going to do, because you have been doing things for others. Finally it's like you're doing things for yourself, right? So let's see. Yeah, you're getting out of this conflict, right? That is your blessing. 8 of Swords energy. 8 of Swords energy is someone who stresses a lot, who can walk away from a situation, but they stand there because they feel like they're meant to stand there, right? Because their eyes are closed, because they are not aware of things. Now you're not in that situation because you're very aware. I'm definitely getting a spiritual awakening for you guys that might have happened, or something, some tower moment might have happened for you guys, and because of that you might have realized something. Some sort of realization might have happened for you guys, and you're like, no, I'm not meant to be in this conflict. Sometimes 8 of Swords energy is about stressing things about other people. Maybe financially you feel like you will not be able to make it, and now you're like, no, I will be able to. You're putting the faith in yourself and finally getting out of this toxic place. Yeah. Look at the card transformation. You're starting new, right? Because we have Page of Wands energy. You're starting something new. For some of you it's like ending a career and starting something new, learning new things, doing something new, like starting new. Because Page of Wands is it's a childlike energy, right? So there is transformation, there is a lot of transformation, because we have this butterfly and then we have this transformation. You're understanding that you have that fire within yourself. You can make things happen for yourself, right? You were you were what I was trying to say, you were dependent on other people, right? And people were misusing that thing, maybe because you trusted other people and they were misusing your trust, and finally you're understanding that yeah, what is your place, who you are, and you're taking your stand, you're moving far from them. So yeah look at that bold step. Yeah, you're taking that bold step. Finally you are taking that step. You're standing up for yourself. Now you're going to open that next gate also and you're overcoming all your struggles. You're finally taking your stand. But this, even though it will be, sometimes when we take stand, it's difficult, it's not so easy, but you will be able to make it, I feel like, because universe is with you. They are guiding you, and yeah, there is like light at the end of the tunnel for you guys. Yeah, it is like a bold step. Like for some of you, it's like you're ending a 10-year relationship, or you're quitting a job that you have been doing for so long. But it's a very bold step, but this step will give you so much of happiness, so much of fulfillment. It will transform you, right? Yeah, because of this you will be able to connect to yourself. I feel like sometimes what happens in our life, when we don't get the things we want, we become like we don't receive anything, because we restrict ourselves. We are always in this envious energy, in this guilt energy, right? Our vibration will be always low, because people are telling us constantly that you're not worthy, and so we will look at other people and we will compare ourselves, and then we feel envy, jealousy, everything. But finally what is happening is like you are letting go of all that emotions. You're connecting with your heart center. Your heart has been broken so many times, right? Many people have done that to you. I feel like you have gone through a lot of struggles, and finally it's the time to overcome all that struggle. Finally it's the time to connect with your inner self. You were not born this way. You are capable, but because of other people, sometimes that happens, right? Because of other people we feel like that we are not capable, we are not talented, we don't have gifts. But now you're understanding that you have gifts, you have talents. It's because of the society, it's because of other people, it's because of my parents, or it's because of my relationship, or it's because of my co-workers. It's because society told me that I'm not worthy, and I accepted it, and because of that I was in this low vibration. But finally you're understanding it, you're taking a bold step, you're changing yourself, you're changing your life, you're like quitting a job. It's like a bold step for you guys, and you're connecting with your heart center. You're opening your heart center finally, right? You're releasing a lot of things, you're healing, you're connecting to your creativity, you're connecting to your life purpose. Like many of you will be understanding what is your life purpose. So yeah, it's like I feel your life is going to change a lot, because you're changing. You're not you are understanding right now there has been a lot of injustice that has happened to you, right? Yeah, and finally you are getting your justice. For some of you, you are connecting with your inner child, you're healing your inner child, past things, you're healing it, you're moving forward. Wow. Yeah, guilt. I release my any beliefs that no longer assist in my soul's growth. Yeah, you are doing that. Many people have done that to you. Because of other people you feel like that you're bound to do this, you're bound to serve them. Sometimes because of society we feel like that we are meant to do this, even though we don't like to do it, or something like that. So you're releasing all that limited beliefs that are stopping you. For some of you, I even feel like that you have been struggling for like 10 to 15 years. Like finally you are like out of this, like long struggle for you guys. This is it's a very long struggle for some of you. And now finally you are like out of this. You will be feeling very free, I feel like. Yeah, magic stream. So yeah, go flow with the universe. Okay, don't try to stop anything, don't try to control anything right now in your life. Just flow. You have taken the action, keep on moving forward, because universe is with you. Look at the rainbows here, right? So yeah, after the major, after a lot of struggles, like we have 9 number, a completion of a cycle. Finally completion of a cycle. We have this also 27 9 number. You have 2 9s, completion. And we have 5 changes. You're changing your inner self, you're connecting with your inner self. You were depending on the outer things of life. You didn't connect with yourself. Finally you are connecting with your inner self more. yeah, you're making connection, you're making peace with yourself, you're making peace with your circumstances, and you're taking a stand for yourself. You're saying no. If you don't want to do something, you're saying no in a kind manner. Yeah, so yeah, there is a lot of changes. You're letting go of your guilt, you're letting go of your limited beliefs. There is a lot of surrendering, but all this thing is going to change you as a person. You're going to transform beautifully. For some of you, will do the things you want to do, some new creative things you will be doing in your life. I feel like that. So yeah, maybe there will be people who will tell you, what are you doing? Yeah, there will be, but stay strong, guys, and you're doing good. Don't, it's not the time to listen to other people. You have listened to them for so long. Now it's time to do something that your heart wants to do, you to do, right? So yeah, that is what, flow with the universe, connect with the universe more. Yes, universe is with you. There's a lot of peace is coming, inner peace I feel for you guys. Yeah, so that's it for my group number 3. I love you guys. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.